So our subject is numerical methods. So this will be our first topic in our program. So numerical methods is it's just like the other math, no, but it is the approach of solving the problem is different because it focused on computer programming. So this is a different method since this method will be will teach the computer how to solve the mathematical problems or how to program the method using the computer. So since the language used by computer is the binary, no? So the approach will be different. So for example, this equation, so this is a quadratic equation. In order to find the root of the function, we need to use the quadratic equation, which is this one, no? Or we can use the FOIL method factoring. So by FOIL method, we cannot teach the computer how to use this method since the language that computer use is binary. We can use this formula, quadratic equation, but if the degree of the function changes, for example, this will be a cube na, so this formula cannot be used anymore. So we need to find a method that will solve the root of the function even if the degree changes, or even if the degree changes, the computer can still solve the function using the method numerical methods. Another example is the differential calculus. So for example, if we have a function y is equal to 2x squared, so the derivative of the function is dy over dx is equal to 4x. So the reason why it is 4x because we've taught in our differential calculus class that if you want to find the function of this one, so product function, so 2x squared, so it is just the exponent times this one product, no? So that's why it will be 4, and then this will be subtracted by 1, so that's why this will be 2 minus 1, so therefore this will be 4x. So we've learned this one during our differential calculus class, but we cannot teach the computer how to deal with this method. So that's why we need to find a way in order to teach the computer how to solve this problem. The same with the integral and differential equations. So we need to find another method in order to teach the computer and to teach the computer will learn how to calculate this problem, and that method is called the numerical methods. Since the computer can only use the basic math arithmetic, no? So which is the plus, minus, times, and the division. So the computer can only process this basic arithmetic math functions. So that's why we need to, but before we proceed to these methods, so we need to discuss first the language of a computer, which is the number system. So this is the number system. So if you refer to Canvas, explore, so another ang definition sa the number system. So the number system is composed with the decimal, binary, octal, hexadecimal. So another ang definition sa Canvas, explore, definition sa this number system. So narang table. This is the table. There. So this is a table. So you need to memorize these tables, no? The binary, octal, and hexadecimal. During our elementary, so we've learned the decimal number from 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So there are these symbols, no? 0 to 9. So this is called the decimal number system. It's very, very basic. So if you say 10, it's just composed of two symbols, the 1 and the 0, and it is just equal to 1 times 10 to the power of 1 plus 1 times 10 to the power of 0. So that is equal to 10. So this number of symbols, number of symbols is equal to 10. So it is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So 10 symbols total. So this is called the base, or commonly called radix. 10 because there are 10 symbols. If 10 ang symbols, that is called decimal number system. So during our elementary, so this is what we've learned. But in reality, apoy lain, no? The binary, octal, and hexadecimal. So in binary, the radix is equal to 2. So the symbols used are 0 and 1. So 2 symbols only. So octal, there are 8 symbols, 0 to 7, total of 8. Hexadecimal, 0 to 16. That is, pag abot to 9, then A, B, C, D, E, F. So a total of 16 symbols. So hexadecimal, 16 symbols, octal. So you need to memorize all of these symbols because you need to master the number systems. So binary, so these are 0 and 1. So 0, 0, 0, 0, that is equal to 0 up to 15. That is 1, 1, 1, 1. 15. Hasta sa octal, 0 to 7. And then after 7, that is 10. No? So, meaning 8, decimal 8, number 8 is equal to octal number 10. So, in order to categorize decimal and other number system, so we'll be using base. So 8 in base 10, so meaning that is decimal, is equal to 10 in octal. So this is the radix of the number system. In order to differentiate binary or other number system to other number system. 8 and 10. And also 10 base 8, so meaning this is number 10 octal is just equal to 8 in hexadecimal. So that's it. So look at this table. So this is in the hexadecimal, tama na tag F. So how about the 16? What should be the equivalent of the hexadecimal when it comes to decimal number 10? So what will be the equivalent? So sunod sa F. So this is 0 to ABCD. So F is equal to 15. So after 15, which is F, next is 10, 11, 12, 13, then 14. In the octal, so since we will be using 8 symbols lang, no? After 17, this will be, what's next? 20, 21, 22, 23, 24. Wala man tayo 8 dali kay only a total of 8 symbols. The same with the hexadecimal, 16 symbols lang. So binary, so since 1111, this is 15, so we need to add another 1 digit. So is equal to 16, 1, 0, 0, 0, 0, 17, 1, 0, 0, 0, 1, 18, 1, 0, 1, 0, 19, 1, 0, 0, 1, 1, 20, 1, 0, 1. So that is equivalent. You can also have your own number system. For example, 4 imong base. So if therefore you'll need only 4 symbols from 0, 1, 2, and 3. So a total of 1, 2, 3, 4 symbols. So isunod sa 3. Sunod sa 3. So that is 10, 11, 12, 13. So what's next? 13. So this will be 20, 1, 22, 23. Next sa 23, that is 30, 31, 32. Sunod sa 33, this is now equal to 100, 101, 102, 103. Next is 110. So that's the table. So in your assignment, you write this table for 5, 6, and about 6, 5, 6, 7. So you complete this table up to 20. So I will be posting an assignment sa Canvas. Then you fill up this table for 5, 6, and 7. Fill up this table, write it in a short bond paper. Then you scan this one using any application, Android or iOS, and then you submit it to Canvas. So that's it.